As we see here, there is LED0 blinking on this particular board. Now let us see how to blink the LED1 with the simplest approach on this board. So now let us see in the code where the pin configuration is done and how it can be done. So here, if we see, this is the bare metal code that is generated, and this is the one which is part of the example list. And now in this we have something called config folder. Okay, in the config folder, when we click on led underscore led0 underscore config.h, you see that A12 port is configured for the default example code. Now if we go to the code, okay, the basic schematic part we mean. So here, this is the port that we are using right now, UAF underscore LED0. Let us search for this. Okay, you can see A12 is the port. Okay, that's why A12 is configured here. Now what we want to do, we want to configure the LED such that we want to toggle LED1 instead of LED0. So if we see this, so if we search for LED1, and this is actually connected to PD6. Now in Simplicity Studio, we will see how to configure that. So as we go here, okay, what we have to do is open the pin tool, blink underscore bare metal underscore pin tool. Okay, this will be generated automatically when the example code is generated. In this, you can see here already the ports are configured. Now you go to the right of this and you search for PD6. Okay, yeah, PD6. Select that, double click on this. Okay, so click on this, and then you can function put it as GPIO mode LED1, and it asks for compatible component. If there is already an example code and compatible component, you can or apply and close. Okay, yeah, so I think it appears now. So compatible code is LED0. Okay, so that means we are not introducing a new LED. We are actually editing the existing one. Apply and close. Okay, now you can see, so the software component is considered as LED0, and when you try to close this, you try to save. Okay, so when you save this, you can see here automatically in the LED config, the port got changed to D6. Okay, so just try to run this. First it compiles, and it compiled successfully without any issues. And when you run this, you can see that LED1 is toggling. Yeah, as we see on the board, we can see that now LED1 is toggling.